Hi everyone! So today we are gonna learn English while preparing a face mask. Girls and boys, if you have sunburns, pimples, dark spots and a dull skin, you can try this simple face mask. First vocabulary test. What we call this? This is a leaf of aloe vera. Did you guess it correctly? The very first step of our face mask is cut off a fresh aloe vera leaf from the plant. As you can see, aloe vera has long, thick leaves with spiky edges. Then we have to carefully trim the edges with a knife. Right, then I slice the leaf open lengthwise to reveal the gel inside. Ta-da! So now you can use a spoon to scoop out the clear gel. This is so slippery. So if you like, you can apply this gel directly on your face. If it's difficult to apply, you can blend this and then it will become a smooth texture. Or else you can mix it with other ingredients. Ooh, it's shiny! Right, so today I'm gonna use gram flour. So gram flour, also known as chickpea flour, it's excellent for absorbing oil on your skin and cleansing your skin. Next we are gonna add, ta-da! 1 tablespoon of plain yogurt. Next ingredient is lime, or you can use lemon. Helps to brighten your skin. You know, too much of lime can irritate your skin, so be gentle, be careful about your skin type. Okay, now I'm gonna slice this in half using a sharp knife. Now tell me what we call this procedure. We say squeeze the juice. Let's mix all the ingredients together. Okay, now what am I doing? We call this stir the mixture. Stir the mixture. So I'm stirring the mixture. Mix means to combine 2 or more ingredients together. Stir means move things in circles. If it's too thick, you can add a little water. If it's too runny, you can add a little chickpea flour. Alright, so before applying, you must wash your face. It's time to apply the face mask. You can use a brush to apply this, but now I'm gonna use my finger brush. Ta-da! Now, using your fingers or your brush, you can apply the mask all over your face as a thin layer. So, avoid your eyes and lips because these are really sensitive. Why not give your neck some love too? Apply it on your neck as well. So I have applied the mask all over my face and neck. Okay, now be relaxed and let the mask dry. We are gonna leave this on for about 15 minutes. You can listen to a song, read a book, just chill. So after 15 minutes, rinse the mask off with cold water. Gently rub in circles as you wash. After washing, pat your face dry. Use a soft towel to pat your face. Don't rub it, just pat your face. Then feel the glow. Your skin should feel smooth, soft and glowing. Alright, I'm gonna wash my face mask. Wait. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more language tips. Don't forget to apply the face mask. Comment your results in the comment section. Bye bye.